In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create AI UGC videos for Instagram Reels. So first of all, we need to go to Novoads AI. The link is going to be in the comment section and in my profile. And once you arrive here, we need to create an account. After that, you will arrive here. And here, first, we need to go to the image section. This because we are going to create an image. And with that image, we are going to create a video. As you can see here that I created 3 images. And with that, I created this video. So now we have to go to reference, and here we are going to upload an image of our product. So let's click here. Now we have to go to settings, change the model to GPT Image 2. Here we are going to use the medium quality because that way we use less credits and we can do 3 images. So now, here where it says describe your image, we're going to use the following prompt that is going to be in the comment section. And now we have to click this button. Perfect. Now we have to wait more or less 1 minute. Perfect. Now we have to choose the image that we like the most. Personally, I like this one, so I'm going to download it. Now we have to go to the video section and click here. Here we have to upload the image that we download. So let's click here. Now we have to go to settings and we're going to use Sequence 2.0. The duration in 10 seconds is okay for this video. And now we have to paste or to create a prompt. This prompt is going to be in the comment section. Now we have to click here and finally in generate. And now we have to wait more or less 4 to 5 minutes. Perfect. Here we have the video. So now let's see it.
My skin was so dry until I found this cream. CeraVe changed everything. Link in my profile.
Well, I don't know what you think, but personally, I like it a lot. The video looks realistic, the quality of the camera is really good. So if you want to do a video like this one, the prompts are going to be in the comment section. And remember that you can try Novoads AI for just $1. And then if you don't like it, you can just cancel anytime. So well, after saying that, if you have any doubts, you can comment in the comment section and see you in the next video.